What up, guys? So I have a bunch, I just got off work and I have a bunch of things to do today, and I was thinking let me vlog. Don't know why I just stuck my leg up, but you know, for dramatic effects, you know. I'm about to work out or whatever, you know. I got my weights and I have like a bunch of things. So goals for today: work out, getting that done. I have to go get some groceries. I have like, you know, errands to run, so I have to get groceries. Then I have to film another video. I have to finish filming another video because it's already kind of like, I got most of it. I just have to film the last chunk, and that video will be up before this video. So it's the video that I posted last week, guys. So I'm finishing up that video. And then I also, it's like a bonus. Like I don't have to get to it today, but I want to. Is to edit that video. Well, I should edit it today, but I want to edit that video, and I also want to edit this video because it'll be completed obviously by the end of the day. So I feel like I had another task to do. Hold on, let me check my to-do list. All right, maybe I should take out the trash. Oh, and I also have homework to do. It's spring break, like while I'm doing homework.
I know that's right.
Yeah, and then I have to start one of my homeworks because it's like the end of the semester project. So that's my to-do list, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Yay! I'm gonna go work out. See y'all when I'm done. Bye.
Major key, major key.
So they didn't have one of the things that I needed. So now I have to go to another supermarket. I don't want to do that.
Oh my god, I really can't do this anymore.
Alright, so yesterday I took a nap and I woke up. I took a 4-hour nap. Love that. And I woke up and I organized my videos, and then I realized that I don't know what happened to some of the footage. Like when I started cooking, it got lost. So y'all missed a whole clip of I came in the house, had groceries, put them away, started talking about my food. So yeah, but I'll show you guys the rest of that now. Alright, so I added oil to my pan. And I want you guys to see me. I don't really care about what the food look like. Where y'all wanna see? Yeah, so I added oil to my pan, and then I have a 1/4 cup of rice. And you can obviously make as much rice as you need. And I'm going to like cook the rice in the oil first before I add the water. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of water. You should use a 1/2 cup, but I'm really bad at making rice, so I use a whole cup because it always works out for me. So, and once it starts to cook, I like to use a spoon, but obviously you can use whatever kitchen utensil you would like. Oh yeah, oh, I should have waited for the oil to get hot. But whatever, you know. Y'all get me. You get me. And then once you see the rice starts to like brown, then you add the water. Don't ask me, you know, where this recipe came from. It came from my head. Alright, and I'm gonna take a random lid. I'm gonna turn the heat down and then a little bit. And let it do its thing. And while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna cook the shrimp and the chicken. The reason why I have them in separate bowls is because the cooking time is different. Obviously, shrimp takes like 1 minute to cook. So yeah, boom. Oil in my pan. Like, while things be heating up, it's like, I don't got time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Alright, this is pretty hot. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. So I'm gonna add my chicken. Damn, this is mad chicken. I didn't think it was gonna be this much. Whatever. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I don't have exact measurements. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook this chicken for. I just cook it till I know it's done. Or until my ancestors tell me that I need to flip it over. Oh, while that's doing that, I'll also stir the rice. Make sure you're stirring your rice so it don't stick. Alright, so now that I flipped them over, I'm gonna put my shrimp in. And I'm gonna put them on the inside. I'll show y'all what that looks like. Looking like this. Just so that they can cook. Like the center of the pan be more hot than the rest of the pan, you know? Oh, I'm gonna put some lime. This should not squeeze in. I gotta bring out the big boys. Boom. Damn, that much didn't even come out. Alright. Now I'm gonna turn it off and cover it. Well, I'm gonna cover it and then turn it. Now back to the rice. I'm gonna take the lid off the rice because it looks almost done. I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm going to add my lime. I like a lot of lime, so you may not need a whole half, but also not a lot of juices coming out of this. And then I'm gonna add my cilantro. Boom, boom, boom. Dang, I should have only put a half a cup of water. It's fine. It's fine. Don't be like me, be better than me. If you're gonna use a 4th cup of rice, use a half a cup of water, not a whole cup of water. Because that's ridiculous. That's it. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so boom. I had leftover asparagus, so I just heated that up. And this is the final result. Let's see how good it is. Oh my god. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna eat this. I'm trying to finish reading this book. So I'm gonna read some of that. And then it's time to edit.
Day 2.
And now it's next day Lauren again. Hello. But yeah, so here I am the next day. I still didn't edit the videos. I didn't finish editing, but I plan on doing that between today and tomorrow. And yeah, so that was my day. Spend the day with me. You know, loses footage, takes a nap. Like, that's very Lauren-esque, you know what I mean? But I got most of the things done off the list, you know? I went grocery shopping. Did I get everything on the grocery list? No. But it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, I'll be doing more of these along with like my cooking stuff, and I'm super excited to start doing that because I really like it. And I really like I kind of like vlogging. It's a lot of work, but I like vlogging, but I hate when I lose the footage. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and I will see you in my next video.